a linear equation. What is the meaning of equation? Equating something. Equation means equating something, balancing something, or comparing something. So just I give an example to you. I have a carry bag and along with a notebook, and this is equal to and balance it with the two notebooks. Then we have to find out how many notebooks are there in my carry bag. Then if I taken out one notebook, I give it this notebook here and this notebook. So how many notebooks are there? One carry bag and one notebook is there. So they are balancing because I have taken out one notebook from both sides, left hand side and right hand side also. So this carry bag have how many notebooks are there? Only one. Then take out. Yes, I have one and only notebook in my carry bag. So in this way we can compare or we can balance the left hand side or right hand side way. So in this equation, if we compare something in notation form, in expression form, I can write it x plus a is equal to 15. Then what is the value of x here? So first of all, I take out a from both sides. Subtract a from both sides, right hand side and right hand side. Okay, these are cancelled. X here and 15 minus 8 is 7. So the value of x is x. In this way, we can find the value of variable here by equating the left hand side and the right hand side value. So this is the meaning of equation. Now we have find x here. What is the x here? The root of the given equation. X is called the root of the given equation. Now next week learn about the linear. What is the meaning of linear equation? This is the meaning of equation. Man, comparing something. What is the meaning of equation? Comparing left hand side and right hand side. Comparing left hand side and right hand side. Putting the equal sign. This is the equation. This is called equation. Now, what is linear equation? Linear equation. In this equation, the highest power of the variable is 1, and that equation is called linear equation. For example, the standard form of linear equation is ax plus b is equal to 0. This is the linear equation in one variable. Having the highest power of variable, that means x is 1 here. So this is called linear equation. Now root of, what is the root? Root of linear equation. Linear equation have one and only one root. Means what is the root here? The value of x, the value of the given variable is called root. Value of given variable is called root. जो भी गिवन वेरिएबल होगा हमारे लिनियर इक्वेशन में, उसकी जो वैल्यू हमारे पास आएगी, दैट इज योर रूट ऑफ दैट इक्वेशन. एंड लिनियर इक्वेशन हैव वन रूट एंड linear equation have one root. Means the only one value of variable is linear equation having the highest value, highest power of variable is only 1, not more than 1. And the root of the linear equation have 1. The value of x variable, that is called the root of the equation, and the root of linear equation is 1 only. Now, how we can solve the linear equation? There are two methods for solving the linear equation. Methods for solving linear equations. How many methods are there for solving the linear equation? First is trial and error method. First is trial and error method. Second is systematic method. Second is systematic method. In these two methods we can use for solving the linear equation. Let's take one example for the trial and error method and the systematic method. Example. For this, 4x minus 7 is equal to 9. Let us take the value of different value of x, and if we get the value is 9, then our answer is correct. Take it. LHS, RHS. Left hand side or right hand side. 4x minus 7, and this is 9. Let x is equal to 1 means 4, 1 into 1 minus 7, and the result is 4 minus 7, that is minus 3. 4 minus 7, that is minus 3. Not equal to the 9. Next, x is equal to 2. X is equal to 2. 4 into 2 minus 3. 4 to the 8. 8 minus, sorry, this is 7. 8 minus 7 is 1. This is not equal to 9. X is equal to 3. 4, 3 is 12 minus 7. 12 minus 7 is 5. This is also not equal to 9. Again, let's x is equal to 4. 4 into 4 minus 7. 4 4s are 16. 16 minus 7 is 9. And this is equal to 9. Here LHS and RHS are equal. So the value of x is 4. Then x is equal to 4. This is your answer. In this way, you can find the value of x or root of the given linear equation using the method trial and error. Now, come on the next method, which is a systematic method. Let's take an example. X minus 8 is equal to minus 5. Let's take this example. Then, how you can solve this? X minus 8 here. First of all, deduct this by adding the opposite sign of x, opposite side of 8 here. So add 8 on both sides. Okay. Now these are cancelled. Now x is equal to minus 5 plus 8, and the result is positive 3. So this is the value of x and the root of the given linear equation, yani x is equal to 3, by using the systematic method. So in this way, we can solve the linear equation using the two different methods. Now come on the exercise. The first question is, which of the following are equation? Question number first is, we have four cases. First, 5x plus 5 is equal to 35. B, 3a minus 7 plus 24. C, 8x minus half is equal to 43 upon 2. And D, 5x upon 2 plus 3 by 2 is equal to 18 by 5. And we have to solve that, but which of the following are equations? तो जैसे मैंने आपको इक्वेशन को अभी इंट्रोड्यूस किया था, व्हाट इज द इक्वेशन? इक्वेटिंग लेफ्ट हैंड साइड इक्वल टू राइट हैंड साइड. We have to compare the left and right hand side. So this also left and right hand side, this also left and right hand side, and this also right. But this is not having the equal to sign, so this is not an equation. So A, C, and D are equations. These are the equations because they are having equal to sign, comparing the left hand side and right hand side by using the equal to sign. So in this way we can solve the question number first. Second is, form the equation for each of the following statement. First is, a number added to half of itself is 9. Question number. A number added to half of itself is 9. So let's take the number. The number is any variable. Let's say x. X is your number. Now equation is a number is added. Means x is added to the half of itself. अपने ही हाफ में ऐड कर देंगे, then we get 9. Now solve this. Take the LCM. 2 1 2 2 and 2 फिर multiplied by the numerator into x is 2x plus 2 is divided by 2 यानी 2 1 2 1 is multiplied with x and we get x is equal to 9 and we get 3x by 2 is equal to 9. In this way we can express the linear equation. This is your linear equation. In this way we can express the given statement in the form of equation. Half of a number is 15. You can say CR. Let the number is x. The equation is x upon 2. Half of, this is half of a number is 15. X by 2 is 15. So this is your equation. In this way you can express. Now come on to question number 3. Solve this equation by trial and error method. So take equation number 3, first part. Question number 3. A. X plus 4 is equal to 7. Then part is left hand side and right hand side. In RHS we have 7 and this left hand side is x plus not equal to 7. X is equal to 3. 3 plus 4 is equal to 7 and 7. These are equal. So 7 is equal to 7 at x is equal to 3. Hence x is equal to 3 is your answer. In this way, you can solve the given linear equation using trial and error method. Trial and error method. You can solve this. Now, come on to question number 4. Solve this equation by using the systematic method. Question number 4. Let's take first. Minus x plus 14 is equal to 21. Systematic method. क्या आ जाएगा? Minus x plus 14 is equal to 21. First of all, we deduct 14 from LHS because we have to find out the value of x here. So minus 14 on both sides. Subtracting 14 from both sides. These are cancelled. Minus x is equal to 21 minus 14, that is 7. We can write it here. Subtracting 14 from both sides. Now multiply by minus 1 on both sides because we have to remove this minus sign also. So minus x into minus 1, 7 into minus 1, and the minus product is positive. X बन x, 7 बन 7, and this is positive and this is negative. Plus minus minus. So the value of x is minus 7. This is the value of x and root of the given linear equation using the systematic method. You can use the one more method in for solving the systematic method also, like minus x plus 14 is equal to 21. We can take 14 from left to right, and if we change the position of any term from left to right or right to left, then plus change to minus and minus change to plus, multiply change to divide, and divide change to multiply. So minus x, we changing 14, 21, 14 is positive here. From if 14 is going to right hand side, then it becomes negative. So minus x is equal to 7, and minus x means minus 1 into x. That is the x. If minus 1 is moving to right hand side, then here is multiplied with x. Now divide 7 divided by minus 1, and this is minus. So if numerator is negative or denominator is negative, then the fraction is negative. So 7 is negative. So x is minus 7. You can Question number 5. A. 7 is the root of x plus 7 is equal to 14. X plus 7 is equal to 14. 4x is equal to 7. If 7 is the root of the given linear equation, then if we put x is equal to 7, then LHS is equal to RHS. Then put 7 plus LHS. 7 plus 7, that is 14. Yes, it is equal to RHS. 4 x is equal to 7. LHS means left hand limit is equal to right hand limit. So the x is equal to 7 is the root of given equation.